Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is again very stylish and trendy, and at the same time it contains a whole new style, trendy, modern hand embroidery design ideas of face masks. But friends, you are seeing in this video that all of these hand embroidery patterns are totally made on face masks. But you cannot only make these very beautiful patterns onto face masks only. The scope of these design ideas is very broad and it is very dimensional. That is, you can make these floral designs onto your accessories like mobile cases, onto your glasses covers, onto your cosmetic bags, onto your already in use handbags, clutch bags, office bags, laptop bags, and at the same time you can also design your baby girl dresses with these very beautiful and decent embroidery patterns. But as the time of the need and the main requirement and the basic necessity of today's life is mask, a face mask is the reason to which we could stay protected from many seasonal viruses and could stay healthy, safe and sound. So I would suggest you to kindly do try these patterns if you are a lover of hand embroidery, or you are a hand embroidery beginner, or you are a hand embroidery artist. All of these designs would go absolutely well, and these masks are highly designer style pattern based and reusable, washable along with filter pockets, and these features give these masks a more reliable and significant value in your daily life. So I hope that I am pretty much successful in my today's content and my opinion or suggestions, that please and don't go out without having a mask. And I hope that I have persuaded you in a very efficient and a positive manner, because everything is meaningless and useless in this world if you are not healthy. Health is the basic and the foremost priority of every human being. So with this, allow me to leave. Stay protected, stay safe. Hope to see you soon back in my channel in my new videos. Up till then, take care of yourselves, stay positive, only attract positive vibes, stay away from negativity so that your body health and as well as mental health could be maintained at the same time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much once again for watching my content.